Thank you. For the first question, we'll go to Chris Rugaber at the Associated Press.
Thanks, Michelle, and thank you, Chair Powell. So it's expected that the Fed will hike rates perhaps every other meeting, but certainly in the past, the Fed has hiked at every meeting. So I just wanted to ask, are rate hikes at consecutive meetings on the table this year? Is every meeting a live meeting? And on that note, would the Fed consider front-loading some of its rate hikes, even if it doesn't raise every meeting? Thank you.
Thanks. So as I referred to in my opening statement, it is not possible to predict with much confidence exactly what path for our policy rate is going to prove appropriate. And so at this time, we haven't made any decisions about the path of policy. And I stress again that we'll be humble and nimble. We're going to have to navigate cross currents and actually two-sided risks now. And I'll say also that we're going to be guided by the data. In fact, what I'll say is that we're going to be led by the incoming data and the evolving outlook. We'll try to communicate as clearly as possible, moving steadily and transparently. So, more to your question. We know that the economy is in a very different place than it was when we began raising rates in 2015. Specifically, the economy is now much stronger. The labor market is far stronger. Inflation is running well above our 2% target, much higher than it was at that time. And these differences are likely to have important implications for the appropriate pace of policy adjustments. Beyond that, we haven't made any decisions.